Walmart, I'm really sorry I haven't been to your store in months to do any Ibotta shopping. It's not what I intended, but don't growl at me. I know I sound like super simple saver talking to a store, but because of COVID and all that stuff, I mean, we were told by many people, including Dr. Fauci, to stay home and stay out of the store, even though Ibotta deals are absolutely great. Can I just sneak in, do a couple quick deals in and out today? Is that okay? Hey, that's not nice. Hey guys, running Kimono here. Well, this is a bit of Walmart action right here. And believe it or not, these razors are $1.05 moneymaker, $1.03 moneymaker at Walmart with 2 different rebate apps. And we have some money making Revlon with Ibotta. This was, I think, a free haul after everything was said and done because I had such big money makers happening for me. So that was fantastic. We have a couple little Meyer deals here, and we have a pumpkin right there. He left California and he came back to Michigan, and he's just been unemployed. Pumpkin, hello. You guys are wondering what he's doing. He's still smoking, so we're not happy about that, but he's been a pretty good boy. Watch, I'll try and pet him and he's gonna run away. Hello, good boy. Well, he's enjoying that sun. It's another very sunny day. See how bright that is, guys? It's frying my camera, but hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Kind of a snowy, cold day up here in Michigan. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is this, and I wouldn't even use, I know there's internet printables for this, but I would not use the internet printables because Checkout 51 is so persnickety and you don't want to lose a $4 rebate. So the deal for this is you buy one of these, and I didn't use coupons, guys, because I know there's internet printables, but I did not use them because I didn't want any trouble with Checkout 51. So these guys are $5.97. You would pay that out of pocket. Ibotta is giving back $3, and Checkout 51 is giving back $4. So it makes it free plus a $1.03 moneymaker. You can do it up to 5 times. This specific one. So it makes it a $5.15 moneymaker. Because the rebates are so high, the value of them, I would do these sooner than later because I have the sneakiest suspicion that either Ibotta or Checkout 51, the rebate will be gone maybe within 24 hours because a lot of couponers are just going to pounce on this deal because it's such a great one. Over in the clearance section, and clearance is always that your mileage may vary, but maybe you could find the same one. These, the Revlon Color Stays, I didn't have any coupons for them. It's alive, guys. These are exactly $1. Here is the UPC if you want to look that up on BrickSeek. So you would pay that $1 out of pocket, and Ibotta has a $4 rebate back when you buy any foundation. So it makes it free plus a $3 moneymaker. So this is the lighter shade, and then there's also this darker shade. So maybe you can check and see if any of this is clearing at your store. Look it up on BrickSeek, or you can just go walk through the clearance section. They usually have a lot of makeup and stuff over there. But this for me, guys, was a $9 moneymaker after everything is said and done. I could not find any lipsticks or eyeshadows by Revlon, but they had a ton of foundation, so I was very delighted with that. A coupon deal, but something I was deeply curious about. This company is called Airspun, and they have a really nice setting powder, and this is like a highlighter for $1. The original price point for this guy was $5.97, and it was down to $1. So I don't know if you're into makeup, but I just wanted to try one of these for fun, and it's by Coty. It's called Airspun, and it's a highlighter. Freebie with coupons are these Febreze plugs. I believe this coupon's expiring on February the 13th, which is Saturday. They are $2.94 at Walmart. We have a free coupon in the free item coupon in the February G, so it zeroes it out to free. You can do it up to 2 times, so I grabbed 2 of them. So the Bird's Eye are exactly $1 for these little steamed bags. And you would pay that out of pocket, and IBOTTA has a 75-cent rebate, so it would make it 25 cents for each. But hold on to your hat, guys. I did 5 of these because the limit for this is up to 5. But I got 1 mixed vegetable and then 4 broccolis because we like broccoli in our home. And for whatever reason, I got $1 bonus. So it basically made it $4.75 back, and I paid 5 initially and I got $4.75 back after everything was said and done. So it was like a quarter I paid for all of this. So if you could run out and at the very least do this deal if you like frozen vegetables, this is fantastic. And again, the company is Bird's Eye. Find this in the regular frozen food section. Well, this is just a little treat for my husband. He really likes these Kraft singles, and I also like to use them to make homemade breakfast sandwiches. I've been making like homemade egg McMuffins. These guys are $3.28. IBOTTA is giving back 50 cents, so it made it $2.78 after everything is said and done. Yeah, so this M&M's candy bar, you will find this in the regular candy section on a top shelf. It's $1.68. Shopkick is giving back 30 points when you scan it, plus 300 points. So it basically makes this guy. So I mean, definitely get one of these. It's a really good deal. Okay, so Mr. Alka-Seltzer, this guy is $4.24. We have a $2 coupon from Maurice and Insert. That one goes haywire at checkout. The cashier had to key it in manually. For me, you'd pay $2.24 out of pocket. IBOTTA is giving back $2, making it 24 cents. Photograph my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. I got a whole bunch of points back for this purchase of this Alka-Seltzer gum. Last little IBOTTA deal is with the Coke with coffee. So this is a newer product. They have it peppered throughout the store. You can also find it in the regular soda aisle. This guy is $1.88, and IBOTTA is giving you back a full amount rebate, $1.88. So it makes it completely free, 1 per store card. And the final item I got over at Walmart is this pack of gum found at checkout. This guy is $1.12. I paid that, and then coupons.com has a full amount rebate back for $1.12. So it's completely for free. If you have absolutely no idea about the coupons.com app, you should probably start using it. I will link a video in the notes and at the very end. Check it out. It's a very easy app to use, and they often have like free little items for holidays, you know, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, that sort of stuff. So I was not complaining about this. Free pack of gum is awesome. Walmart was absolutely fantastic. I just went in, did a quick little haul. I'm trying to be, you know, COVID smart, you know, not hanging out in the store for 17 hours. So I just made a list, checked it twice, in and out, fast, fast, fast. And I love these sort of deals for free vegetables, money-making razors, and money-making foundation. If you want the numbers, and I think I got back like $36 from IBOTTA. And I got $20 back from Checo 51, like $1 and some change back from coupons.com for that pack of gum, and then I also got back $1 and some change back from Shopkick for the M&M's candy bar. So everything just came together, and my haul was like free. I also got some other groceries too, you know, like the Kraft singles, like that was a little bit out of pocket, but these bigger money makers, like I had $14 of just pure unbridled money makers, and that really like helped me out with my shopping trip, and it was fantastic. I haven't done this in a really long time, so it was really nice to get back to Walmart and do this, and especially with the Ibotta app, they're kind of married and they work hand in hand. Walmart is the biggest store out there in the US, so they have the most amount of rebates. If you've never heard of this app and you want to sign up, check out the link in the notes and sign up with my team. When you submit your first qualifying receipt for Ibotta, guys, I think it's like a $20 bonus with my code. So if you kind of aren't sure about this, or you want to sign up and start doing hauls like this one I just showed you, sign up. It's a really great app. Okay, and I just wanted to share a little bit about what I saw when I was in the store, because like I told you guys, I haven't really been in there very much in the last 2-3 months. Disinfectant wipes, 2 for $3, so $1.50 for that. Clorox wipes, look at all of this, man. Like that's a lot. Stuff that we couldn't get for the last year that was just in demand and it was impossible to find. Like, boom, there it is. And look at all this Lysol spray for $5.77. Don't really like the price point, but it's a mirage because for the longest time we haven't been seeing this stuff. So I just wanted to share with you guys, I'm seeing a lot of this stuff back in stock, so hopefully your store is quite similar. Okay guys, the next store that we have is Meijer, and Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest, so if you're in the Midwest, you can do these deals. So the Barilla pasta, and I really enjoy making lasagna with this no boiling noodles, because it just makes lasagna making a lot easier. And I know a lot of people will say, you're freaking lazy, but this is a really good product. So these are $2.19 each, and we have a buy one get one free M perk. So you would pay $2.19 for the 2 or $1.09 per thing of noodles, and it's Barilla, so this is a really great deal. Okay, for whatever reason, I could not find this at Walmart, and it's just one of these little snack packs of these Philadelphia cheesecake crumbles. So this at Meijer was $2.99, and Ibotta has a $3.99 rebate back, so it makes it a $1 money maker. Okay, and this Knorr pasta, it's called Knorr Select. Please grab the right one. This guy was $1.50, and Fetch Rewards had a free item back when you buy this specific product. So I got back 1,550 points, which is basically like $1.50. So I got this package of pasta for free. And these Knorr Selects are really, really delicious. So I absolutely love it. We still have these free plugs over at Meijer, so if you could track them down, they are, I believe, $3, and we have a free coupon in the February P&G, so it's zeroed out to free, and the coupon scans perfectly at checkout, so it's just a quick little freebie. If you might have like more than 2 inserts, you might have to break it up at a couple different stores. You got to use these by Saturday, so definitely get one of these for free. And there was also an M perk as well for this guy. We're part of Bath & Body Works, you know, part of their email list and stuff. Often they send little home mailers. A friend of mine actually sent me 2 of her home mailers, because I guess she's not a big fan of Bath & Body Works. But I got a free little lemon kitchen. This guy is $6.50. These used to be so cheap back in the day, but I thought it would be nice, the amount of formaldehyde that we put on our hands every day. That hand sanitizer, it is a killer. It really dries out your hands. So I thought this would be a great little product to have. And then I also got a free little wallflower plug. So thank you to Amy who sent me those coupons. So very, very nice of you. And I love these sort of little freebies at Bath & Body Works. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.